When it comes time to charge your Toyota EV, you have a few options. The speed, cost, and regained range depend on whichever option you choose. EV charging is broken down into Level 1, Level 2, and Level 3. Let's take a closer look at each option. Level 1 is best for at home or a backup option on the go. It's the most versatile. With Level 1, you get charging speeds of around 1.5 to 2 kilowatts. That's about 8 kilometers an hour. You can go from 0 to 100% in about 50 hours, and the cost will vary depending on where you live, but here are some examples for Southern Ontario. If you'll notice, one of the options says ultra low overnight. This is a different pricing option that is available to any Ontario resident. You can essentially trade off higher on-peak rates for lower off-peak rates. If you charge your car every night, this could be a great option. It lowers your overnight kilowatt per hour charge to 4 cents. When you're finished with the level 1 charger, just wrap it up, put it back in its case, and store it safely in your trunk. If you're looking for faster charging speeds at home or if you're charging on the go, level 2 optimizes AC charging. Enabled by the use of 240 volts, this gives you charging speeds up to 11 kilowatts. You can charge the vehicle from 0 to 100% in about 9 hours. The cost at home is the same as level 1, just much faster. On the go, charging is going to cost you anywhere between $1 and $2 per kilowatt hour on average. Keep in mind that some government properties and businesses may charge anywhere from $3 to $5 per kilowatt hour. If gaining the maximum range in the shortest amount of time is what you need, DC fast charging is the third level of charging available. This is available at public charging stations. DC fast charging allows for charging from 10 to 80% in about 30 minutes at speeds of up to 150 kilowatts. After the vehicle reaches 80%, the charging will slow to level 2 speeds automatically to prevent overheating and damage. This last 20% could take up to 30 to 60 minutes, so only charge to 100% if completely necessary. In terms of cost, DC is a little more tricky. Some stations charge by the hour, some by the kilowatt hour. Tesla seems to only charge by the kilowatt hour. Keep in mind that some commercial stations may charge a certain amount for a limited amount of time, and then charge you more for any time incurred past that. Some may start charging you an idle fee if you leave the car plugged in past full. To ensure maximum compatibility, Toyota offers an adapter set. In the box, you get a J1772 to NACS adapter for level 2 and a CCS adapter for level 3, meaning you're covered for almost all charging stations out there. Charging times, speeds, and ranges may vary based on climate, location, and charging station. Toyota's EVs take full advantage of all 3 levels of charging to ensure that you have options wherever you are, while optimizing all 3 of them to maximize battery performance and life. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Dan at Brantford Toyota.